Cars and watches have always gone hand in hand, and Unimatic's latest release proves exactly why. In its second collaboration with Morgan Motor Company, the Italian watch brand unveils the Modello Quattro U4-GMT-MMC, a rugged GMT tool watch infused with Morgan's automotive DNA. This limited edition features a brushed stainless steel case measuring 40 millimeters in diameter and just under 14 millimeters thick. It has a fixed monoblock bezel acid-etched with a 24-hour scale, a large 8 millimeter crown protected by crown guards, and water resistance rated to an impressive 300 meters. Around the back, a solid caseback shows the watch's individual number, along with both the Unimatic and Morgan logos. The dial is finished in Morgan's signature sport blue tone, accented by glossy cool grey markings. Sword-style hour and minute hands, a lollipop seconds hand, and a central GMT hand with an open arrow tip are all filled with superluminova for low-light legibility. There's also a neatly integrated color-matched date window at 6 o'clock. This is an office GMT, which lets you track a second time zone easily, perfect for travel or business. Inside ticks Seiko's reliable NH34A automatic movement with about 41 hours of power reserve. It drives the hours, minutes, seconds, GMT, and date functions. Each watch ships with 2 leather straps made from the same premium hides Morgan uses in its cars, one in soft biscuit, the other in blue, both quick release and secured by pin buckles. Limited to just 100 pieces worldwide, the Unimatic X Morgan Modello Quattro U4-GMT-MMC blends Italian tool watch toughness with British motoring heritage. Priced at £895, it's available now from Unimatic. If you're a fan of automotive-inspired watches, this is one you'll want to check out.